So I like most of the approach of this course and how it changed my understanding of self-healing, and now I have more like holistic view about self-healing, and that overall approach was the most important lesson for me.
I like very much that we combine knowledge and practice in the same time. I really like that.
I want you to use power. We want you to use the weight of your arms. So, relax your shoulder, use the weight of your arm, and then you can stand here and meditate for another 15 minutes.
That takes patience.
Thank you for meditating for us.
We take this one around. We just lightly keep our fingers in there. And we press it down, then we lift this part. And we just keep pushing it. You see? And we put them.
I've been learning about how to prepare in a correct way macrobiotic food, and also how it's important to adapt it the way how you cook your food according with where you are in the world.
The theoretical classes combines like hard science and then like alternative medicine. So it was a really good combination of different kind of views in one package.
The course was really nice, and it's so inspiring to get some new point of views of way of cooking. And that's inspiring because that's something I could do at home, and also the way of being aware of what quality have the different kind of crops.
I learned a lot about the energy and that comes from food and how we can navigate our life based on our diet, and seeing what are our needs, we can change the diet and play with that. I learned a lot about myself and how certain patterns of the way I eat influence my life and my reaction towards events in life.
During this course, where I was learning a lot about macrobiotic, by doing hands-on activities was very important, because I could see somebody preparing the food, but also I could prepare myself some dishes, and I'm very happy about that.
Yeah, after the course I trust myself more, and I'm like more sure that my mind and body can heal me, because before I wasn't so sure and I didn't have the tools. So after this course I'm trusting myself more.
That have changed my way of thinking and the way of my way of eating. I could feel I'm not eating that much. I'm eating slowlier in lesser portions. It has changed my feeling in my body from that the eating was making me heavy and tired and not much energy to do something, and I actually have more energy. I'm feeling more strength and feeling that I could achieve more.
Every day there is something new to learn, and yeah, that it's very important to eat unprocessed food, but also it's very nice that you prepare your food according with the season. So when it's summer, it's one way to do more expensive kind of foods, and then when it's winter, more contracting, but always finding the equilibrium.
I liked very much the way the course was facilitated and following the needs of the participants, and I really like the content and how we go in depth in certain points that we are more interested in.